Hello, welcome to this week's video. I want to look at the 5 points that I use or think about all the time to make me understand my team, make the team understand me, and make the team gel and work better together. So let's get into the video. Hello and welcome back to Project Metalworks. My name's Chris Morton, and if you've not seen the channel before, we look at different aspects of project management and life management and personal motivation. In the project management side of it, we can look at all the technical aspects, from life cycle to schedule to budget to contracts, etc. But in the early stages of the channel, we're looking at yourself, the project manager. How to manage your team. So, if you want to see more of these videos, then keep tuned in and let's get on to the next video. So the first thing, always make it about your team. Never make it about you. I have sat in many meetings over my years and listened to different people saying, I have done this, I have done that. It was me. The thing is, I never built anything. The team built it. The team did it. If you're building a bridge, a tunnel, offshore oil, wind farm, etc., I never built it. We built it. The team built it. So, forget about I and start thinking about we, the whole, the team. It is extremely important. Point 2, always be open, always be honest, and never lie. Your team or the individual may not like what they hear, but always tell the truth. If you tell them a false promise, if you tell them a lie, even a white lie, if they find that out, the trust that you have will be broken and you will never get it back. So always tell the truth and have integrity to your team. Be open, be honest, and be truthful. Always. And you will keep your team's respect, even in the bad times. Number 3. Individuals don't know everything. I don't know everything, and other people don't know everything. But if you put everybody together, then you know more. Each individual has a strength, each individual has a weakness. But as I say, when you put these together, you have a greater strength and a greater knowledge. So work as a team, work as a joint unit. It can only make you stronger and better. Number 4, be open with your team and help your team and help individuals. Keeping information from people is not, as they say, king. Information is king. I have the upper hand. No. If you have the information, you have the knowledge, share it. It builds trust and you give it free. You don't say, I'll give you this and I want this back. No, you give it through generosity, you give it free, and it builds trust. So don't keep things to yourself. Impart your knowledge on others and it will only help. Number 5. Always do what you truly believe. Not just what you think is right, not what may be, what you truly believe. If you do what you truly believe and get your team on board, they will truly believe it as well. It is not easy, and it comes with a cost sometimes, as I know. But I don't regret some of the decisions I made because I believe those decisions to be correct. So always do what you believe, what you think is right, and you will benefit in the long run. So there's the 5 points. And I have one more. Question of the week. Starting this week, we're going to ask a question every week on the video. So the question this week is, if you are a project manager, or if you are promoted to project manager, or you get to be a project manager, what are the 5 most important things you believe you need to do? Let me know. Put it in the comments box. Send me an email. Just ask me the question. Send me the 5 points you believe are the most important. Look forward to getting them. Well, I hope you like this week's video and the content. It's something that I truly do believe in, is looking after my teams. So if you have any comments, then put them in the comments box below. Or if you have a question or a video topic that you would like to see, drop me an email. My email is in the description box, and I will endeavour to produce a video for you, or I will answer your question by email. Also, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and look forward to making another video next week. And all take care and be safe. See you soon. Bye.